Hey friends, who's hungry? You don't have to make a trip to New Orleans to enjoy fluffy beignets piled high with powdered sugar. First, dissolve 1/4 ounce packet of yeast in 1/4 cup of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Allow the yeast to sit for 10 minutes to activate. You'll know it's activated if foam forms on the surface of the liquid. Next, heat 1/4 cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium-low heat until the butter is melted and the temperature reaches 120 degrees with a candy thermometer. Combine 2½ cups of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a large mixing bowl. Add the warmed milk and yeast mixture to the flour and mix for 2 minutes using a dough hook. Add 1 large egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue to whisk for another minute. The dough should pull away from the sides of the bowl and be sticky but not wet. Lightly coat the top of the dough with oil. Cover the dough with a towel and allow it to rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Heat 2 to 3 inches of oil over medium heat until it reaches 375 degrees. In the meantime, turn the dough out onto a floured cutting board or workspace. Roll the dough out to a 1/4 inch thickness. Then cut the dough into 2 to 3 inch strips. Place 3 to 4 dough strips at a time into the hot oil. Fry for 30 to 45 seconds. Carefully spoon some hot oil over the top of the dough. Turn the beignets over and fry for another 30 to 45 seconds. Strain the beignets from the hot oil and place them on a layer of paper towels to drain. Finally, serve hot with a mound of powdered sugar.